Lady Warriors. And so many players stepped up para sa Lady Falcons. But of course, only one can be our Shakey's best player, brought to you by Shakey's Fun Family Pizza. And she is right now with Judy Sarrel.
Pao, congratulations sa pagkapanalo nyo laban sa UE. Ano ba yung naging mindset mo sa game na to?
Sabi lang po ng coach namin na mag-leader ako, ganyan, mag-double time, saka dapat ako yung mag-uumpisa ng tama. Ayun.
Ina-expect mo ba na magti-3 sets lang kayo sa laban na to?
Of course, kasi di ba nag-umpisa kami ng tama ng maayos ng second round. So dapat i-maintain namin yung walang mag-overconfident kahit sino man yung magiging kalaban namin.
Pao, gusto mo bang may batian?
First of all, happy birthday kay Lea Manuel. Advance happy birthday kay Kuya Lloyd Villamor. Hi sa mama ni Maya, saka sa father niya. Hi sa Katuray family, sa Yumoy family, Catanduanes family. Sa family ko, hi to Villegas and Lorenzo family of Limay Bataan. And happy 18th birthday to Rachel Boha from Coach Marvin. Saka hi kay Ate Kasia ng Iloilo City.
Thank you, Pao. Eric?
All right, thank you, Judy. That's how you know she's a confident player, when you have a list of people to greet.
That's right, they're very much ready, you know.
Well, a 3-set win para sa Adamson over UE. We'll be back to wrap this up after these.